Did you know that you can set up your Outlook as a communication channel on your Wix website? Let me show you how you can get this done. So you want to go ahead and click settings on the lower left hand side once you're on Wix and scroll down to the communication and notification section. Here you'll find communication channels. You click on that and you have a bunch of options right here on the list. Right here you can see I'm already using Gmail right here, but the steps are pretty much the same. You want to go ahead and click on setup, and of course you will have the pop-up where you need to go ahead and go through, and of course you want to agree and to add. So some of them are actually add differently. So for example, the Google account, you will just need to sign into your Google account and kind of allow the permissions there, while for example on this option right here you can see that you need to click agree and add, and this will basically allows you to integrate both of them or use both of them. As you can see, it's currently loading for me right here. And so right here, you can see that it asked me to continue with Outlook. Now, once you do that, you see right here, it says to send email from your Outlook address, sign in to Microsoft and allow Wix access. So this is what you'll need to do to be able to allow access to Wix. And once you do that, you'll have them, let's say, integrated, synced, and you'll be able to manage it. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys.